Hello, wonderful prospects. Welcome back to Prime Architecture and Construction Consult channel. And I go by the name King Buame McCaffrey, or you can call me Kingsley, your trusted draftsman. On today's episode, we are going to be talking about site preparation. Site preparation is the first stage of the construction process, and it involves marking the land ready for building by ensuring it is safe, stable, and suitable for construction. And on today's episode, I'm going to be taking you through some main activities. We have about 1 to 7 main activities of site preparation. And the first one says site clearing. Site clearing involves you clearing the site, taking all the grassy stones, whatever you have on the sites there, clear the site very well before anything begins. Second, site surveying. Site surveying is whereby you mark all the levels of the site. Sure, if the building you are coming to place on the site or on the plot is going to be well seated on the plot and you having spaces all around the building. And the third one is what? Demolition. Demolition of whatever structure that is on the site and is taking space. You need to demolish all of those structures on the site and clear the site very well. And the fourth one says what? Excavation. You need to now get the trenches dug very well before the building can be erected. And another one says what? Soil testing. Yes, this is whereby you test the quality of the soil and the land to know the kind of building you are coming to put on the plot will be very well seated in the land. And there's another one also saying setting out. Yes, so setting out involves you digging, marking all the spaces all around the plot, digging the trenches very well deep before anything begins. And the last but not the least is temporary site facility. Yes, temporary site facility is whereby you create a temporary storeroom for all the construction materials and tools to be placed in that storeroom. So that is what we have for you. Thank you for watching Prime Architecture and Construction Consult channel. And I go by the name King Buame McCaffrey, or you can call me Kingsley, your trusted draftsman. Like, share, and comment on all my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching Prime Architecture and Construction Consult channel. Peace out.